The Meghalaya government's DREAM or Drug Reduction Elimination and Action Mission on Wednesday convened a consultative meeting with women community leaders or Senkanthai from different parts of Shillong to intensify grassroots action against substance abuse. Officials said over 50 women leaders participated in the interaction, which also saw the presence of several eminent women from the community, including Thailin Phanbo. The participation, they noted, reflected a strong community commitment to address drug-related challenges and strengthen prevention and recovery efforts at the local level. The meeting focused on reinforcing community-driven prevention strategies and highlighting the critical role of women in protecting families and neighborhoods from the growing threat of drug abuse. Representatives from various Senkanthai units shared inputs from their localities, pointing to emerging concerns, vulnerable groups, and the need for sustained awareness, early intervention, counseling, and collective action. The managing director of DREAM briefed the participants on the mission's objectives, ongoing programs and support systems, including counseling services, rehabilitation linkages, and vocational training opportunities for individuals in recovery. He emphasized the need for closer coordination between community leaders and government agencies to ensure timely reporting, referrals, and follow-up of substance use-related cases. Acknowledging the contribution of the Senkanthai in community mobilization, family counseling, and youth engagement, the managing director of DREAM said women leaders play a vital role in early identification of substance use, providing emotional support, and promoting healthy lifestyles within households. Senkanthai members meanwhile expressed their readiness to take part in awareness campaigns, community outreach programs, and peer support initiatives under the DREAM framework. They also proposed regular engagement meetings and capacity building sessions to further equip women leaders as frontline advocates against drug abuse. The meeting concluded with a collective resolve to work together towards building drug-free communities and securing a safer and healthier future for Meghalaya's youth.
Kita minimum quantity, kemudian ini small quantity. Tiki air salah kita. Di haba le kita banyak boleh rumah. Tadi kita ke certain quantity. Tiki ini salah. Ki penduna ada quantity untuk kita boleh kita semua mak le. Kalau tu kalau personal consumption. Te kasih tu. Nanti kita boleh kita le commercial quantity kalau hambo. Te kita le kadang kalah. Nanti normal tadi kan NDPS, kadang-kadang sampai NDPS. Kata ada, akan ini muncul ni orang nama macam Indonesia ni orang cakap Kerala ni study untuk itu, dia report ni yang discuss bagi police iklan lah fight ini found drugs. Dia ngan dia wajib untuk implement NDPS. Tadi NDPS kai boleh sorkan, ban lada beri ulah beli nasi nasi, ban ulah don commercial quantity khai kalau berkira kepada malah sis negara itu terhapus ru nangta sis yang sis yang kaya kau sis lu kat muda sis lu dia mentah ada maklum bahwa ni sanbut bila pengat pokok itu biasa amin dia bilang bahawa ipulit berapa nak kalian sokat ni dia apa sanbut awak yang pending sorry kita saat ini kes mengilaporkan NDPS kerana proses kerana kita ini treatment kalau totally free kalau sesi treatment ini BPL family kalau totally free dia pun kita jangan konsep kena kita ini itu family dia treatment kalau totally free total jika support government kita sispa South Point ini kalian mesti sispa South Point ini sispa South Point ini jika long depends long dia ya itu kita dari BPL family itu harus dia siapa kalau bah kasih lala kacau kan rehab center kalau rehab center masih tak semua kalau masih raja kalau masih raja kalau masih lain aja kasih lala kacau dia kini rehab dia kena anda kadi video suatu kawai kita detox kawai kita rehat pi nunu na muncul bahwa melek antara rehat udang ka melek soal detox ada keluar melek because dia kan hamil dia kan kamkam mainly uhiroin piti uno hindi untuk syudung uhiroin itu syudung marsudung kiwa uthir marsudung nampak tisna kali direct jabi nakalai jabi utu umdan control sudah ban decide kada ibon na ibangan drugs kim sle kim wat lo kim nan interest kini tu jadi drugs arum to lolo musuh tu jadi juki kasu omen lalu banyo yang sesi kata kasuya yang kata kamda isu kamu minta ni lawai ni meeting tu ia dikasih suja dikasih buat slim dikasih kamda ni hak clear view na kata tang lalu banyo yang suruh